Today we have to learn the extra problems depend upon the similarity. Problem are out of textbook but depend upon the syllabus on the first chapter's similarity. पुस्तकाबाहेरचे प्रॉब्लेम आहेत परंतु सिमिलॅरिटी या चॅप्टर वरतीच अवलंबून आहेत. अशा प्रॉब्लेमचा आज आपण अभ्यास करणार आहोत. जी प्रॉब्लेम सीबीएसई एनसीईआरटीच्या बुक मधून घेतलेली आहेत आणि तुम्हाला परीक्षेला बोर्ड परीक्षेला चौथा आणि पाचवा क्वेश्चन हा आउट ऑफ टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन असतो. तो कशा पद्धतीने कसा विचारताल हे सांगता येत नाही, परंतु तो पूर्णपणे सिमिलॅरिटी या चॅप्टर वरतीच अवलंबून असेल किंवा 10वीच्या अभ्यासक्रमावरच अवलंबून असतो. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम, point D and E lie on the side AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC such that DE is a parallel to BC. Then if AD as DB is equal to 4 as 13 and AC is equal to 20.4 centimeter, then find the value of AC. See in figure to draw the figure from given information. From given problems, point D and E lie on the side AB and AC respectively in a triangle ABC such that DE is a parallel to BC. Then AD as DB is equal to 4 as 13 is given and AC is equal to 20.4 centimeter. Then find the value of EC. Here in a triangle ABC given AD as DB is equal to 4 as 13. In a triangle ABC, DE is a parallel to BC. By using basic proportionality theorem, AD as DB is equal to AE as EC. When a line is a parallel to a side of triangle and intersect two distinct points of remaining two sides, then such line is proportional to the remaining sides. Therefore, AD as DB is equal to AE as AC. Substitute the value AD as DB is equal to 4 as 13. AE upon EC is equal to 4 upon 13. Here this AE goes on the next side, then we get EC is equal to 13 upon 4 into AE. But here AE is equal to 8, then EC is equal to 13 upon 4 into 8. 4 to the 8 is equal to 13. From this ratio to find EC is equal to 26 centimeter. In this first problem, spelling mistake, AC is equal to 20.4 replaced by AE is equal to 8. Second problem, point D and E lie on side AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC such that DE is a parallel BC. Then AD is equal to 4x minus 3, AE is equal to 8x minus 7, BD is equal to 3x minus 1 and CE is equal to 5x minus 3. Then find the value of x. First, you draw the figure from given information. In a triangle ABC, In a triangle ABC, DE is a parallel to BC. By using basic proportionality theorem, AD as DB is equal to AE as AC. Substitute the value. AD is equal to 4x minus 3, BD is equal to 3x minus 1 is equal to AE is equal to 8x minus 7, EC is equal to 5x minus 3. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन तिरकस गुणाकार जर केला तर 4x मायनस 3 इंटू 5x मायनस 3 या दोन कंसाचा गुणाकार होईल इज इक्वल टू 8x मायनस 7 इंटू 3x मायनस 1 या दोन कंसाचा गुणाकार असेल. 4x minus 3 multiply 5x minus 3. 4x multiply 5x, then we get 20x square. 4x into minus 3 is a minus 12x. Minus 3 multiply 5x minus 15x. Minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. Then we get sum of minus 12x minus 15x is a minus 27x plus 9. Similarly, the product of these two brackets, then we get 24x square minus 29x plus 7. The like terms take one side. 20x square, the 24x square goes on the LHS side, then you get minus 24x square. Minus 29x goes on the LHS side, then you get plus 29x. Plus 7 goes on the LHS side, then you get minus 7 is equal to 0. Subtract of the like terms, 20x square minus 24x square is a minus 4x square. Minus 27x plus 29x is equal to plus 2x. Plus 9 minus 7 is a plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus multiply, then square term is a positive. Minus minus plus 4x square plus minus minus 2x plus minus minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, this is a quadratic equation. To find the solution of quadratic equation, the constant term minus 2 and x square of coefficient is a 4. 4 multiply minus 2, then you get minus 8. To find the factor of minus 8 such that product is a minus 8 and subtraction is a minus 2, means 4x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 2 is a minus 2 and product of minus 4 into plus 2 is a minus 8. Then 4x square minus 4x is a take group of two terms, plus 2x minus 2 is a second group. Then 4x take common, x minus 1, minus 2 take common, here x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we get x minus 1, second bracket, 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equating 0 of every brackets, x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1 and 4x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 1, or this 4 goes on the next side, then we get divide x is equal to minus 2 upon 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is the value of the x from this problem. Write down. Third problem. In figure, if DE is a parallel BC and CD is a parallel EF, then prove that AD square is equal to AB into AF. In this figure, ABC, DE is a parallel to BC and CD is a parallel to EF. First, consider triangle ABC, this triangle ABC. DE is a parallel to BC. In a triangle ABC and a triangle ADE, angle A is the common angle in a both the triangle ADE and ABC. Therefore, angle A is a congruent angle A is the common angles. DE is a parallel to BC and AB is their transversal. then the corresponding angle ADE is a congruent angle ABC. It is a corresponding angles. By using corresponding vertices of two triangle, triangle ADE is a similar triangle ABC. Why? By using AA test. Therefore, two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. AD as AB is equal to AE as AC. पहा, आकृतीमध्ये आपल्याला दोन त्रिकोण दिलेले आहेत. त्यापैकी आपण पहिली फिगर ट्रायंगल ABC DE इज अ पॅरलल BC ही फिगर आपण कन्सिडर केलेली आहे. या फिगर मध्ये ट्रायंगल ADE आणि ट्रायंगल ABC हे दोन ट्रायंगल AA टेस्टने सिमिलर दाखवलेले आहेत. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण सिमिलर असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या संगत बाजू प्रमाणात असतात आणि म्हणून AD as AB is equal to AE as EC AC इक्वेशन नंबर 1. तर सिमिलरली दुसरी फिगर कोणती पहा. CD इज अ पॅरलल EF. ट्रायंगल ADC या ट्रायंगल मध्ये ADC ती फिगर मी काढलेली आहे. ADC EF इज अ पॅरलल टू DC. या प्रश्नाकृतीचा हा आपण एक भाग वेगळा केलेला आहे आणि हा भाग वेगळा केलेला आहे. इन अ ट्रायंगल ADC and triangle AFE, angle A is the common angle in a both triangle. Therefore, angle A is a congruent angle. A is a common angle. And EF is a parallel to DC and AD is their transversal. Then corresponding angle are congruent. Therefore, angle AFE is a congruent angle ADC. It is a corresponding angle. Therefore, triangle AFE is a similar triangle ADC by using AA test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. AF as FD is equal to AE as EC. AF as AD is equal to AF as AC. Then we get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, AE as AC and AE as AC is the same side. Then we get AD as AB is equal to AF as AD. Remaining side is also same. Then cross multiplication. AD into AD. AD square is equal to AB into AF. Is a AB multiplied to AF. Hence it is a proof. Problem number 4. On side AB of triangle ABC, to point D and E lie such that AD is equal to BE. If DP is a parallel to BC and EQ parallel to AC, then prove that PQ is a parallel to AB. To draw the figure from given problems, on the side AB, 2 points D and E lie such that AD is equal to BE. AD ची लांबी आणि BE ची लांबी सारखी आहे. If DP is a parallel to BC and EQ is a parallel to AC, then prove that PQ is a parallel to AB. आता या ठिकाणी PQ आकृतीमध्ये जोडलेला नाही, परंतु तो जोडलेला आहे असं गृहीत धरा. तर आपल्याला PQ is a parallel to AB दाखवायचा आहे. In a triangle ABC, solution of this problem. In a triangle ABC, EQ is a parallel to AC by using basic proportionality theorem. BQ as QC is equal to BQ as CQ is equal to BE as AE. but in figure AD is equal to BE is given. Therefore AE is equal to AD plus DE. Here AD is equal to B, substitute here, B plus AD is equal to BD. Therefore BQ as QC is equal to, आता BE ची किंमत AD आहे, कारण BE is equal to AD आहे. BE replaced by AD and here AE is equal to BD. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. पहा या ठिकाणी BQ as CQ is equal to BE as AE आहे. इथे आकृतीमध्ये AD is equal to BE दिलेला आहे आणि मग A पासून E ची किंमत काय होईल, AD प्लस DE होईल. AD च्या ऐवजी आपण BE ठेवला तर B प्लस ED म्हणजे BD तयार होईल. म्हणून AE is equal to BD. म्हणून B ची किंमत AD ठेवा आणि A ची किंमत या ठिकाणी BD ठेवा. अशा पद्धतीने आपले इक्वेशन नंबर 1 मिळेल. BQ as QC is equal to AD as BD. Equation number 1. In a triangle ABC, DP is a parallel to BC. पहा त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये PD is a parallel to BC. By using basic proportionality theorem, AD as DB is equal to AP as PC. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, here AD as BD is the same. One side of both equation is the same. The remaining side is also same. BQ as QC is equal to AP as PC. In a triangle A BPT, in a triangle BPT, B P and Q. Here BQ, this is a BQ. As QC, this is a QC is equal to AP as PC. Then by using converse of BPT theorem, then we get PQ is a parallel to AB. Hence we can write the PQ is a parallel to AB. Hence it is a proof found given in the problems. Problem number 5. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is a parallel DC and its diagonal intersect at point O. Show that AO as BO is equal to CO as DO. First, to draw the figure, triangle ABCD is a quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. In a trapezium, AB is a parallel to side DC and diagonal DB and AC intersect at point O. Show that AO as BO is equal to CO as DO. In figure, we have to show the two triangles. In a triangle AOB and triangle COD. आपण ABCD या ट्रॅपेझियम मध्ये ट्रायंगल AOB आणि ट्रायंगल COD चा या ठिकाणी विचार करूया. Angle AOB is a congruent angle COD, vertically opposite angle. When DC is a parallel to side AB and AC is their transversal, then alternate angle form. Angle ABO is a congruent angle ODC. Angle D and this angle B is a alternative angle. Similarly, angle OAB is a congruent angle OCD. It is a alternative angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is a similar triangle COD by AAA similarity test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. We can write AO as CO is equal to BO as DO. But here the ratio of numerator and ratio of denominator by using alternando property of equal ratio. Therefore, AO as BO is equal to CO as DO. Hence, it is a proof. Write down. If D and E are points lying on side AB and AC respectively of a triangle ABC such that BD is equal to CE, then prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. In a triangle ABC, point D and E lie on side AB and AC respectively such that BD is equal to CE. त्रिकोण एबीसी मध्ये बिंदू डी हा ए बी वर आणि बिंदू ई हा ए सी वर अशा पद्धतीने आहेत की बीडी ची लांबी आणि सीई ची लांबी समान आहे. तर सिद्ध करा ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इज अन आयसोस्केल ट्रायंगल, समद्विभुज त्रिकोण आहे. In a triangle ADE, solution of this problem. In a triangle ADE and triangle ABC, या दोन त्रिकोणाचा विचार करूया. Angle ADE is a congruent angle ABC. And angle A, this angle is a corresponding angle. And in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A is a common angle. Therefore, angle A is a congruent angle A. It is a common angle. Hence, triangle ADE is a similar triangle ABC by AA similarity test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. AD as BD is equal to AE as CE. But the point D and E lie on side AB and AC respectively such that BD is equal to CE. Here to put BD is equal to CE and AD is equal to AE. Now AD plus BD is equal to AE plus CE and AD plus BD is the AB is equal to AE plus EC is equal to AC. Then in a triangle ABC, two side AB is a congruent side AC, then triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये त्रिकोणाच्या दोन बाजू एकरूप आहेत. AB is equal to AC, म्हणून ट्रायंगल ABC हा आयसोस्केल ट्रायंगल आहे. Problem number 7. If triangle ABC similar triangle DEF and their areas are respectively 64 square centimeter and 121 square centimeter. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, then find BC. The ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding side. This is the theorem of area of similar triangle. In two triangles respectively, we have to consider triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square upon EF square. Taking square root on both sides, then we get BC upon EF is equal to, in square root, area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DEF. BC as EF is equal to square root 64 upon 121 is equal to 8 upon 11. But the given problem, EF is equal to 15.4. EF goes on the next side, then we get multiply. BC is equal to EF multiply 8 upon 11. Substitute the value of EF 15.4 into 8 upon 11. 11 divide to 15.4. 11 1 11. 11 4 za 44. 1.4 multiply 8. Then we get BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. This is the value of length. BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. या उदाहरणामध्ये समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाच्या प्रमाणानुसार जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात तेव्हा त्या दोन त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाचे गुणोत्तर संगत बाजूच्या वर्गाच्या गुणोत्तरा एवढे असते. Area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square upon EF square. वर्गमूळ घेतल्यास BC as EF is equal to in square root area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DEF. किमती ठेवा. Area of triangle ABC is a 64. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 121. स्क्वेअर रूट मध्ये आहे तर यांचं वर्गमूळ घेतलं. स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 64 is 8. स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 121 is equal to 11. EF ची किंमत दिलेली आहे प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये 15.4. EF पुढे घ्या मल्टिप्लाय होईल. EF इंटू 8 अपॉन 11. EF ची किंमत 15.4. 11 ने 11 ने 15.4 ला भाग द्या. 1.4 किंमत येते. 1.4 इंटू 2 यांचा गुणाकार BC इज इक्वल टू 11.2 सेंटीमीटर. Next problem. Two triangle ABC and DBC are formed on the same base BC. If AD and BC intersect each other at O, then prove that area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DBC is equal to AO as DO. From problems to draw the figure, two triangle ABC and DBC. In a triangle ABC and DBC are formed on the same base BC. If AD and BC intersect each other at point O, diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O, then prove that area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DBC is equal to AO as DO. Area of triangle ABC half into base BC into height AF. In a triangle ABC, then AF is a perpendicular to BC. Then we get the area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base BC into height AF. Area of triangle DBC half into base BC into height DG. Then take ratio of area of two triangle. Area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DBC is equal to half into BC into AF as half into BC into DG. Half get cancel, BC get cancel. Then AF as DG. Equation number 1. In a triangle AOF and triangle DO and G. Angle AOF is a congruent angle DOG, vertically opposite angle. Angle AFO is a congruent angle DGO, each of 90 degree. Therefore, triangle AOF is a similar triangle DOF by AA similarity test. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. AF as DG is equal to AO as DO. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, AF as DG is equal to area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DBC. Hence, from equation 1 and 2, we get area of triangle ABC as area of triangle DBC is equal to AO as DO. Hence, it is a proof. Next problem. Problem number 9. Find the solution of the following question. In a triangle ABC, DE is a parallel BC and AD as DB is equal to 2 as 3. Then find the ratio of area of triangle ADE and triangle ABC. From problems, AD as DB is a given. We can write AD as DB is equal to 2 as 3. Let their equal multiple factor is a K. Therefore, AD as DB is equal to 2K upon 3K. We have to consider. Let AD and DB are 2K and 3K. Therefore, AB is equal to sum of AD plus BD. Then AD is equal to 2K plus BD is equal to 3K is equal to 5K. Hence, AD as AB is equal to 2K upon 5K. KK get cancelled. The 2 upon 5. This is the ratio of AD and AB. In a triangle ADE and triangle ABC, ADE and triangle ABC, the angle ADE is a congruent angle ABC corresponding angle, and angle AED is a congruent angle ACB. It is also corresponding angle. When triangle ADE is a similar triangle ABC by AA test. When two triangles are similar, by using theorem of area of similar triangle, area of triangle ADE as area of triangle ABC is equal to AD square upon AB square. Then AD as AB is 2 as 5. Substitute the value. 2 as 5 bracket square. 2 square is a 4. 5 square is a 25. Therefore, area of triangle ADE as area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 as 25. Write down. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये आपल्याला AD जसे BD दिलेला आहे, त्यावरून त्रिकोण ADE आणि त्रिकोण ABC समरूप दाखवण्यासाठी आपल्या संगत बाजू AD आणि AB ची किंमत काढलेली आहे 2 as 5. दोन त्रिकोण समरूप आहेत बाय AA टेस्ट. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात तेव्हा समरूप त्रिकोणाच्या क्षेत्रफळाच्या प्रमाणानुसार area of triangle ADE as area of triangle ABC is equal to 4 as 25. And last problem, problem number 10. Find the solution of the following questions. PB and QA are perpendicular at a point B and A of line segment AB. If P and Q lie on opposite sides of AB and on joining P and Q, it intersects AB at point O, and PO is equal to 5 cm, QO is equal to 7 cm. Area of triangle POB is equal to 150 cm square. Then find the area of triangle QOA. First, to draw the figure from given problems. PB and QA. PB and QA are perpendicular to each other. At point B and A, आकृतीमध्ये PB आणि हा CA एकमेकीला लंब आहेत. B या ठिकाणी काटकोन तयार होईल आणि A या ठिकाणी काटकोन तयार होईल. If P and Q lies on opposite side of AB and on joining P and Q intersect AB at a point O, AB आणि हा QA एकमेकांच्या विरुद्ध आहे. PC आणि AB जर जोडला तर ते बिंदू O मध्ये एकमेकींना छेदतात. म्हणून PO इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर आणि QO इज इक्वल टू 7 सेंटीमीटर दिलेला आहे. आकृतीमध्ये इथे C च्या ऐवजी Q हा बिंदू आहे हे लक्षात घ्या. ट्रायंगल एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल POB दिलेला आहे. POB इज इक्वल टू 150 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वेअर. टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल QOA काढायचा आहे. इन अ ट्रायंगल POB अँड ट्रायंगल QOA, आकृतीमध्ये C बिंदूच्या ऐवजी Q हा बिंदू आहे, प्रिडमिस्टिक आहे, ठीक आहे, लक्षात घ्या. इन अ ट्रायंगल POB अँड ट्रायंगल QOA, angle PBO is a congruent angle QAO each of 90 degree, and angle POB is a congruent angle QOA, vertically opposite angle. Therefore triangle PBO is a congruent, a similar triangle QAO. Two triangles are similar by AA similarity test. When two triangles are similar, by using theorem of area of similar triangles, area of triangle POB is equal to area of triangle QOA is equal to PO square upon QO square. Here PO is equal to 5 and QO is equal to 7. 5 as 7 bracket square. 5 square is a 25, 7 square is a 49. Therefore, area of triangle POB as area of triangle QOA is equal to 25 upon 49. Here, area of triangle POB is given. Area of triangle POB goes on the next side. Then we get multiply. Then we get area of triangle QOA is equal to area of triangle POB multiply 49 upon 25. And the area of triangle POB is equal to 150 into 49 upon 25. The divide and multiplication of this explanation, then you get 294 centimeter square. 25 divided to 150 is a 6. 6 multiply 49, then you get 294 centimeter square. इथे पहा, area of triangle POB as area of triangle QOA is equal to 25 upon 49. जर आपण याची इनवर्स प्रॉपर इनवर्स ऑपरेशन जर केलं, व्यस्त क्रिया जर केली आपण या ठिकाणी, तर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल QOA अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल POB इज इक्वल टू 49 अपॉन 25 होईल. आणि मग एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल POB पुढे जर गेला तर मल्टिप्लाय होईल टू 49 अपॉन 25 ला. त्याची किंमत ठेवा 150. 25 divide to 150. 25 into 6 is equal to 150. 6 into 49 is equal to 294 centimeters square. Therefore, area of triangle QOA is equal to 294 centimeters square. This is the answer. Write down. अशा पद्धतीने अशा प्रकारची किंवा इतर प्रकारची प्रॉब्लेम सिमिलॅरिटी चॅप्टर वरती आधारित तुम्हाला परीक्षेला विचारली जातात. म्हणून अशा प्रकारची तुम्ही इतर प्रॉब्लेमचाही सराव करू शकता.